Making money is a lot of work. So that's why I'm gonna walk inside this McDonald's right here and ask if they're hiring. Luckily enough though, you guys won't need to do this if you watch this video. Hi, I was wondering, are you guys hiring?
Oh yeah, the form right there.
Oh, okay, so do I just grab this?
Yeah, grab two in case you make a mistake. It'll make it easier to cover it up.
Okay, and then you just fill it out?
If you fill it out, bring it back, and then Sebastian's the store manager.
I'm Sebastian. Oh, so you
Yeah,
apply
just fill it out and then bring it back?
There is a machire.com. You need to apply there.
McDonald's just handed me an application and I have absolutely no intention of applying because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different passive income ideas that have generated me $15,000 in a month. To start things off, let's talk about eBay dropshipping. I haven't had an active eBay business in over a year, but I just took about 2 hours to list 50 products on a brand new store. eBay dropshipping is essentially where you take products from other websites like Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, or Target and list it on eBay for more money. Why does it work? Because people don't take the time to shop around and realize they can get the exact same product on another website but for cheaper. That allows people like me or you to get some of this money. To get started with eBay dropshipping, all you have to do is find a product from a supplier website. Like this random air compressor from Walmart. Now let's copy and paste the title into eBay and boom, I just found a bunch of people dropshipping this product. That is so sick because now I can go on one of these listings and click on the seller's profile. This seller's dropshipping a bunch of products, so let's go to their sold listings and boom, and now you can see all of their products that they're successfully drop shipping. Since these products are selling successfully for that guy, chances are they're gonna sell as well for me. So to find out where he's drop shipping these products from, I'm simply gonna copy and paste his listing titles into Google. Hopefully I can find a Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's link where I can get that product for cheaper. This technique of eBay drop shipping allowed me to list 47 items on a brand new store. And by the end of this video, I will reveal how much passive income it makes. Now, I know a lot of you guys wouldn't count this as passive income, but the truth is passive income is where you put time or money up front to make money passively in the future. That's exactly what we're doing in this video, but just for fun, I'm gonna purchase a listing on Fiverr where someone's gonna build us an eBay dropshipping store for $40. I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I guess we'll see. The next way I make passive income is through YouTube ad revenue. Now, you guys may be confused why this is considered passive income, but let me give you guys a look at my YouTube analytics. As you guys can see, in the last 90 days, I've made $16,744 for my channel, and in that period, I uploaded 14 videos. From those 14 videos I actively spent time making, they earned me about $2,800 in that period, meaning the rest of the 14K is from old videos. Now, not every channel operates like this, but the reason mine does is because I make what's called evergreen videos. Very rarely do I make a piece of content that's time sensitive, just like this video you're watching right now, 5 ways to make passive income. Whether you watch this video the day I upload it or in 50 years from now, it doesn't really matter. Well, maybe not 50 years from now, because by then, we're all gonna be in the metaverse and no one's gonna watch YouTube. The metaverse has also been making me money recently because I invested into a play-to-earn game called Pegaxy. For those of you guys who aren't aware, with the recent explosion of Web3 technology and cryptocurrency, a new type of video game has come out called play-to-earn. These are games that pay you in crypto to play them, and for the game I'm playing specifically, I bought a Pega, which is basically a cool horse in the video game, and it symbolizes an NFT. I make money in this video game by renting my Pega out to other people in the game, and they make money with my Pega by racing it. The total cost to buy this Pega NFT was $240, and so far I've made back a whopping 180 PGX coin by renting my Pega out. That equates to about $32.40, which isn't great, and this has to do with the popularity of the game absolutely declining. This affects how much money you make because, as you guys can see, the value of all of the in-game currencies have dipped, and even that Pega I bought for $240 last month is maybe worth $150 now. That just goes to show that investing into these Web3 play-to-earn games is definitely risky, but I'm happy I did it just to try it out. And now the next way we're gonna try and make passive income in this video is by renting cars out on Turo. This right here is actually not the car I'm renting out on Turo. It's actually a personal car, but anyway, the reason I decided to get into the Turo side hustle is lately I've been having this issue where I get into a new side hustle, I'm super excited about it at first, and then I realize I don't really have the time for it. Turo is a side hustle that's a little bit more passive, so that's why it's been working out better so far. My new goal is to get into side hustles that are a little bit more passive, and Turo is no exception to that because, as an example, right now my car is being rented out. It's been rented out for the last 7 days, and in that period, the only amount of time I've had to spend on Turo is helping the renter originally find the car. Ever since then, he hasn't needed to bother me a single time. Now that's what I call passive income, especially since I'm not even in Arizona right now where the rental car's at. I'm actually back in Wisconsin visiting my parents, so even if the renter has an issue in the next 2 days, I can't really help him, so fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. In total with my Turo car, after I raised the price to $39 a day, I project it's gonna make me about $800 a month, and after all expenses such as Turo's cut, maintenance costs, and also paying for personal insurance, I should make at least $400 a month with this car. Now that definitely isn't bad, so my plan is if the car makes a lot of money in April, I'm gonna keep expanding the business by buying more cars until I have enough passive income to just lay on a beach all day. This next passive income stream is one I unfortunately haven't personally had success with, but I still wanted to include it on this list because I know a bunch of people who do Shopify dropshipping and make really good passive income.
Right. Can you hear me?
How are you doing, bro? Good?
Pretty good, man. Just chilling, working.
Good.
How about you?
These are my two friends, Sebastian Escueda and Ethan King. Both of them make YouTube videos, and I decided to interview them about Shopify dropshipping. What is your store currently doing in terms of sales?
I think this month right now we're sitting around 7,000 or 8,000. It's kind of slow.
What?
But we've only spent about 1,000 to 2,000 in ads.
I'm trying to figure out how passive is Shopify once you build it up, or is it kind of pretty work intensive?
So dropshipping is an interesting business model to combine the words passive income, right? Because with any real successful business model, you're going to have to put in a ton of upfront work. It's kind of like building a house. I had a store where I started it during COVID. I was selling, I won't say the product, but it was a COVID related product. Started out, crushed it, made millions of dollars with it. I am now hands off, and every single month I'm making 5 figures a month with the store. So it's still doing really well, pays for me to live. As far as passive income, yes, it's possible, but there's a lot of upfront work.
How many hours a week do you spend on that store? Because does it pretty much run itself and you're focusing on other products?
Pretty much just prints money, man. I work maybe 2 hours a day. That's really it.
Dang. So that just goes to show that dropshipping can be passive income, but only to a certain degree, since finding products and setting up stores takes a bunch of time. If and only if your product becomes a success, that's when the business model becomes more passive. But a lot of times you want to get right working on that next big product idea, because as soon as your product becomes a winner, it can start losing you money if competition floods into the market. I would put Shopify pretty much in the same realm as YouTube when it comes to passive income, because sure, in some of my best months on YouTube, I've made $10,000 or even $15,000, but if I suddenly stop posting for 6 months, or even worse, I came out with an NFT and CoffeeZilla made a video, boom, game over. The two truest forms of passive income I have right now are my Turo rental car business and also the side hustle you guys saw me start in this video, aka the eBay dropshipping. I would definitely say that eBay dropshipping is more passive than Shopify, since it's not really about finding one singular winning product. You kind of just list a bunch of products on your store like I did, and as you guys can see, I got 6 sales in 5 days, and from that we generated $680.90 in revenue. That's definitely not bad, but you have to keep in mind that this business model has pretty slim profit margins, so on the nearly $700 in revenue, profit is only $125. At the end of the day, I'll take that money for just spending a couple hours listing products on my store. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see me make more eBay dropshipping content, please be sure to drop a like, and who knows, maybe I'll do a 30-day challenge. If that video's out, check it out right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.